Hey guys, I'm Josh.
Welcome to my shop.
My shop.
My shop.
My shop.
See where it says my shop?
Yep, mine.
3.
My shop. Our dream shop.
Well,
And we do whatever we feel passionate about at the time.
and we learn something new every day.
Or we break something new every day.
And sometimes we break old ones.
And then we have to fix it. Woodworking. Metalworking. Melting metal. Welding. Don't judge my welds. I've welded 5 times as of yesterday.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed. I can't say this.
What is wrong with this?
Let's pretend like there's not a camera there.